Honnold has made history again. The first thing that he just did is one of the hardest parts of the climb, getting on the building.
Hope somebody started my timer for me.
Wow. That just breaks your brain. That is not something you feel like you're supposed to see.